Let's talk about the bottleneck that is hiding inside your WordPress dashboard. You have optimized your images. You have a fast theme. You are using a CDN, but your site still feels heavy. Especially when you are logged in, especially inside the WP admin. Why? Because the problem isn't your files. The problem is your database. WordPress is a database-heavy application. Every time you load a page, it runs dozens, sometimes hundreds, of questions to the database. Who is this user? What are their permissions? What are the site settings? Answering these questions takes time. And standard MySQL databases write to the hard drive. Hard drives are slow. I am going to show you how to move those questions from the hard drive to the RAM, making them instant. Click the link in the description right now. That link takes you to Kinsta. I want you to look for the Redis Object Caching feature. This is the secret weapon for dynamic sites. Open that link, and let's talk about persistent object caching. Open the link. Okay, here is the technical breakdown. Normally, when you load your website, the server calculates the page, sends it to the user, and then forgets everything it just did. When the next user arrives, it has to do the math all over again. This is inefficient. It wastes CPU. It wastes time. Redis changes this. Redis stands for Remote Dictionary Server. It sits between your WordPress site and your database. When your site asks, "What are the site settings?" Redis remembers the answer. It stores the answer in the RAM random access memory. RAM is thousands of times faster than a hard disk. So, the next time WordPress asks that question, Redis screams the answer back instantly. The result? Your WP admin panel loads twice as fast. Your complex filters on your shop page work instantly. Your membership site stops crawling. You reduce the load on your MySQL database by 50% or more. On most hosts, setting up Redis is a nightmare. You have to install software on the server via command line. You have to configure the wp-config PHP file. If you mess it up, you break the site. On Kinsta, it is one click. You go to the dashboard. You click Add Redis. Kinsta installs the container. Kinsta installs the plugin. Kinsta connects the credentials. You just sit there and watch your site get faster. So, go back to that link in the description. If you have a dynamic site, a membership site, or a large store, you cannot run on MySQL alone. You need a memory layer. Click the link, enable the Redis add-on, and give your database a break. I'll see you in the next video.